So, ang content natin ngayon ay tutorial kung paano implementation ng spanner size tools ng standard bolts. Tara. So, standard bolt size M4, M6, M8, M10, M12 at M14. Formula bolt size divide by 2 and plus bolt size plus 1. Example, M4 4 divided by 2 is equals to plus 4 is equals 6 plus 1 is equals 7 ang spanner niya. At dito naman sa imperial inch conversion o sa English system to metric equivalent 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 1/2, 5/8, 1 inch. Formula is numerator divided by denominator then multiply by 25.4. Example 1/8. 1 divided by 8 times 25.4 is equals to 3.175 or 3 mm yung spanner niya.